All right, so we're working in Google Docs on purpose because this way I can give you feedback and you can receive it and it makes it so easy, all right? So you'll see these kind of comments all the way down. And what I want you to do with this is when you see I'm just doing something like this, it's an edit, you can probably trust that I'm right and just accept that suggestion. If you really don't like what I've done, you can exit out and reject that suggestion. You do not have to take it. And if you see a part here where I'm like, oh, this is the part I'm most interested in, well, this is where you're going to go do your revision. Okay. So you do your revision here. And then when you're done, you can click this to say, I've resolved that. All right. This will automatically update me and let me know that you're doing the work. And the revision is part of the grade and it will help you. So send me your Google Docs. If you don't make a Google Doc, I'll make your work into a Google Doc and share it back with you and give you this and the video I'm making now so that you'll know what to do with it, okay? So pretty easy. Just click here if you want to accept the suggestion I'm giving and here if you want to reject it. When you share it back, get rid of all my suggestions and that way I'll know you're done.
Did you cry? I bet.